have homologous structures, body parts that are very similar yet serve completely different purposes among species. An example of this is in the picture shown above. On the far left, there is the anatomy of a human arm. On the far right, there is the anatomy of the wing of a bat. Looking at this picture, it is obvious that these two structures are related. Yet one is for grabbing and using tools, and the other is for flying. There are many more examples of homologous structures in animals too. These structures represent common ancestry because they all contain the same pattern and the same bones are all in the same relative position. Obviously, these animals had a common ancestor that divided into multiple separate species. Many mammals also share vestigial structures, which are parts that no longer serve a purpose for that animal, but do in a similar species. An example is shown in the picture above. The purple bones in the picture are vestigial. From left to right, the mammal feet shown are dog, pig, and horse. Obviously, what happened is that the common ancestor that all mammals shared divulged into multiple different animals. All animals, mammals included, produce amino acids, although they cannot create every single amino acid that their body needs, so they need to get these amino acids from their diet. These are called the essential amino acids. Mammals all generally need the same essential amino acids. This is because they are very similar creatures due to having a common ancestor. An interesting thing about the DNA of mammals is that genetically they are more like their fathers. Although they inherit half of their DNA and mutations from their father and half from their mother, they actually use more of what they inherit from their father. Mammals have the same structure of DNA as humans do. It is obvious that evolution occurred in mammals over millions of years. Vestigial and homologous structures are not just a coincidence. The only explanation for them is that all mammals have a common ancestor that diverged into multiple species at different points in time. That is also the explanation for all the other evidence that I have presented.